Hi, my name is Lobsang Wangdu. I'm with yourwangdu.com. I would like to show you how to make Shameytsel, which means non-meat vegetable. Basically, it is pure vegetable dish. Normally, we put a little bit of meat in the veggie dish, but this is a totally veggie dish. Many Westerners think Tibetans don't eat meat. That's not true. Majority Tibetans eat meat. Tibet is really high elevation, so hard to grow the vegetable in every area. So especially remote area, it's really hard to get vegetables and some other stuff. So traditionally we have to eat meat. Today you can get all kinds of vegetables in many cities because there are so many greenhouses. This veggie dish is very simple, so I will show you all the ingredients. First, you need 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 2 cloves of garlic. I have 6 shiitake mushrooms, pretty big. Then I have onions, quite big too. Then I'm gonna use the big tomato and 10 ounces of Napa cabbage. And also I'm going to use 1 tablespoon of oil and 1/2 tablespoon of soy sauce. That's all you need. You don't have to wash shiitake mushroom. They don't grow on the dirt, so there's not much dirt. So you can wrap it damp cloth or paper towel. So I'm going to clean it like this way. I'm going to cut this part of stem, so I'm not going to use it. So I'm cutting this size. It's a little too biggish, but it's not a big deal. So whatever piece you like, if you like to eat small pieces, you can cut it smaller, but I like this way, so I'm gonna cut like this. Now I'm gonna chop the Napa cabbage. You can before you chopping, you can wash too. I'm gonna wash later. First I'm gonna chop it and then wash. Basically, I'm gonna cut this style a little different, like this kind of. I'm gonna separate with the green part the bottom stem. So I'm gonna cook first the bottom stem and a minute or two, then I can put the rest of it. So this one really, the green part you don't have to cook that much. Now I'm washing the vegetable. Now I'm chopping the garlic. I'm cutting the onion pretty big pieces, so almost like this. Now I'm chopping the tomato. I'm gonna cook the vegetable. Basically, I'm using vegetable oil. I'm gonna use 1 tablespoon of oil. And right now the fire is pretty high. I'm gonna heat pretty high until it gets really hot. So I have to wait like a few minutes. The oil is pretty hot, so I'm gonna first I'm gonna fry the garlic and onion. So I'm gonna cook pretty well this garlic and onion until it gets brownish. When I'm gonna turn down tiny little bit the heat, maybe number 6 on my stove. So now the onion and garlic are pretty brown. So I'm gonna add the tomato now. I'm gonna cook tomato just a few minutes. And I'm going to add salt, quarter teaspoon of salt. Then I'm going to add a little bit of soy sauce, half teaspoon of soy sauce. I just put tomato and soy sauce and the salt, so I'm gonna mix that very well with the onion and the garlic. So this will make the flavor pretty good. Now I cooked the tomato maybe 3 minutes, so I'm gonna add mushroom, and I'm gonna add the mushroom and mix them really well with everything. So after I mix quite well, I'm going to put lid on and sometime for a while. I cook the mushroom kind of medium or low heat and maybe 5 minutes. So now I'm going to add the vegetable. So this is the stem part of the vegetable. So I'm going to cook maybe like maybe 2 minutes. Then I'm going to add the second batch of the vegetables. Now I cooked the 2 minute stem, the vegetable cabbage. Now I'm going to add the second batch. I'm going to cook 1 more minute. And then it's ready to eat, because normally you don't have to cook those vegetables very much. Now this is ready, so I'm going to serve now. This actually is looking pretty good, and the mushrooms are really tasty, so you'll enjoy it.